What are you doing? What's the car say, Alex?
Beep, beep.
Beep, beep. Good job. What's the car say? Where are you going? What's over there? What's over there? You just gonna snuggle with Mommy? Well, we were taking a video of you playing. We were taking a video of you playing, honey. It's not so interesting. You can take a video of you snuggling with Mommy. Yeah. Not as much fun, though. Yeah. Is that Elmo? It's
Checkup time. Can you check Elmo's temperature, please? Not too hot, not too cold. Elmo's just right. Elmo has a bubble on his butt. Can you check Elmo's bandage, please? Hey, chill. Chill, please. Can you help Elmo blow his nose, please?
gotta turn it on. You know how to turn it on. You gotta turn it on, Alex. Gotta turn it on. Turn on the button, Alex. There you go. There you go. Now push it again. Pop Patty Whack, get the duck up on. You have a milk mustache. It's cute. You do. You have a milk mustache. It's true.
Ball.
Yeah, there's a ball right there. You're right. That is a ball. Yes, that's a ball, isn't it?
The ball.
Yeah.
Ball.